Moving sucks. Moving sucks. I have been so busy moving houses lately, I've barely had time to ride. Lake Lysterfield is one of the most popular mountain bike parks in Victoria, and it's great for beginners, so this should be a perfect spot to get back on the bike.
Starting route to Lysterfield Lake.
Are they meant to be like that?
Yeah, called fatties or something.
Oh. So are we doing a grip review in this one? Grip review.
You can do that.
We can do whatever we want.
ESI fatties.
Lysterfield.
Woo!
Oi! Right, this is the first ride for me for about 5 weeks because I've been moving into a caravan. And this is Richard's first ride after 6 weeks, after tearing his ACL.
No, I've already snapped it. I just I snapped a bit of cartilage off the side of my knee.
And this should be a good warm-up. Lysty's pretty basic, and there's about 25 kilometres trail here, roughly. We will work our way anti-clockwise around the lake and tick off some green, blue and black trails along the way. Kangaroos everywhere. Not a bad way to start the day. It's pretty nice in here. After climbing Lower Buckle for a couple of kilometres, we find ourselves at the top of Follow Me. Ah, yes. I feel so rigid, dude. A descending black diamond trail with some fun features. So there's an A line off here, or we can take the B line around here. That wasn't too bad. Oi! I missed the high line there. Follow me. Descent. Oh, it's been years. And it's pedaly. Oi! Oh, very pedaly. Yes, drop. Oi! Whew. Yeah, some pretty harsh drops there. I was like, this is a lot more pedally than I remembered. Oh no! Should be right. And then go left down IMBA Trail.
So what injuries have you got?
No, none, just laziness.
Butt's hurting already.
My butt's not too bad. It should be hurting. Farm Trail. Oh. Yeah, Farm Trail is alright. Oh, hey. Damn, they see you. Someone must have lost them. Dude, we're here.
Dude,
yeah.
It's really half.
No, we still have to go all the way around there and then we'll do the Commonwealth Games.
I don't know about Commonwealth Games.
You don't know about that?
That's it, film.
Yeah.
There. Well, that's a good, we'll know by then.
There's a few shortcuts too, by the looks of it.
Yeah, let's take it.
For sure. And then we'll get to the Commonwealth Games climb and then assess the situation. So hopefully we can do the Commonwealth Games descent. From what I remember, that's like the funnest one out here. Very good. Dog pound. Jet, mate. He was not happy, you. Yeah. We might run into Jacko. Oh. Right, we're heading up the state mountain bike course. He goes nothing, yeah. Definitely felt the time off the bikes. I got a bike behind us. You're right, mate.
Not going that quick.
Oh, I remember this chair. I am so unfit. But we finally made it to the top of the Commonwealth Games descent. We've done 14 Ks. It's not too bad. Very difficult downhill mountain bike trail. It's all about this trail. Commonwealth Games descent. Yeah, it's not really crazy difficult. It's just fun. Oh, nice. Are you gonna stamp it?
Good.
Well, you probably shouldn't. All right. Oh, that's better already. Speed. Oh, and wind. That's nice. Oh, yes. Hey. Oh, it's so windy. There's nothing too crazy just yet. Oh, nothing rough. Hey. Yes. Oh, that was a fair double. Oh, outside. Oh, getting janky. Oh, he's right behind me. Oh, drop. Oh, nice. It was fun. I remember it being quicker.
I reckon it's probably just your skill level, man.
Yeah, I don't know. The black trails at Lysty are pretty tame compared to most other mountain bike parks. It's a great spot to learn small drops and jumps, but if Lysty is your only ride destination, I'd definitely be cautious when tackling blacks at other mountain bike parks. Oh, watch out for that line. Oh, oh fuck me. Mate, I shit myself.
Lower Blair Rich up here? I don't know, man.
Lower Blair. Alright, go, I'll follow you. Doesn't look very used. Natural. Oh, low me. Oh, oh yeah. Doesn't look like anyone rides it. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, the top was fun. I reckon I really needed this ride, eh? Once at the bottom of Lower Blair, we took a green trail around the rest of the lake and back to the car park. We could have taken a longer route, but we're both feeling pretty cooked. And now for the follow-up on the ASI Fatty Grip review. How were the grips?
Hands feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty comfy. But I've had a couple of crashes in them and they're fucking disintegrating pretty quickly.
Okay, so what would you give them for comfort?
9.
A 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I've never had any issues grip-wise apart from if you run them barehanded.
The longevity?
3 crashes, I reckon they'll take. 3.
3 stars. Damn.
Yeah, they fucking get eaten up by the rocks.
And how long you had them for?
A couple of months.
I'd say as far as looks go,
But they look good.
I thought they looked pretty terrible.
They're good, they're chunky, they're black.
They look like a pool noodle on your handlebar.
That'd be cheaper.
So it's the day after our Lysterfield ride. I just come down here with my daughter Rudy to get some B-roll footage for the video. I haven't actually edited the video yet. I imagine I probably sound pretty flat in the video, and yeah, I've been pretty run down from like moving houses, leaving my job, and just sort of getting ready for this next adventure. It's been like pretty full on, and I hadn't ridden for like weeks before this ride, so I definitely needed it, because even today my attitude is so much better because I haven't been doing any exercise. Like exercise plays a massive part in my mental state. Yeah, so that ride, I think it's done me wonders. Even though it was pretty mellow, there was nothing too crazy in it, but yeah, exercise, it's the key. Personally for myself, it's the key to sort of being in the right frame of mind, if that makes any sense at all. Alright, thanks for watching, legends. Hopefully I can be a bit more consistent now. Cheers. You're right. He's mean, isn't he?